Guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am testing out these Hello Halo highlighters by Wet n Wild. Hello Halo. Check this out. You hear that? These bottles are a thin glass, so be careful. Cuidado. Okay, so we're going to open these up and see which one I like, which one I don't. If I don't like it, if I do like it, I don't know if I like it. Let me know if you like it. Let's open them up and see what they look like. I got these at Walgreens. They were just a few dollars. That is like huge. Look at how huge that applicator is. It's like, you know, it looks like that Shape Tape applicator. Let's go ahead and just rub it on, swipe it on the arm. This is a pink color. I got the color Halo Gorgeous. That's a cute name. Halo Gorgeous. And then let's go ahead and do this next color, which is a gold color. I got this for Zumi, my daughter. That is more tanned color. That is gorgeous. Maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I just won't tell her I got it. Okay, so let's just rub these with the finger and see how they feel. So they're not that liquidy, believe it or not. I don't know if that makes sense because it's a liquid. They're not like runny. There you go. Look, oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that like bling, bling, bling? And let's try the pink one. Oh my goodness, these are freaking gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So which one do you guys think I should try? I just have some cream blush on right now. I think I'm going to try the lighter shade. Okay, I'm just going to wipe these off so I don't get them all over everything else. We're going to go in with the Goddess Glow. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. Now, it's kind of funny. Look how, like, they have so much pressure. Like, sometimes they don't want to go down, and you have to push it down. Okay, so I'm going to apply it straight onto the cheek. And then I'm going to get my very, very hard little blender here and just kind of pat it out. Okay, so we're just going to do a line like that. It's a lot of product that comes out. And I'm going to take this blender and see how it looks on the skin. Because sometimes it comes out of the bottle, it's like gorgeous. But on the top of makeup, sometimes it doesn't do so well. What do you guys think? You see that? That's pretty. Is it the most blinding? No, it actually like goes into the skin, like sits on the skin, very like more natural, if that makes sense. Let me do a little bit more. That is a bit more, not a little bit more. Get this blender again, and we're gonna just pull the hair back and gonna dab, dab, dab. Okay. So you know how some powder highlighters tend to like sit more on the skin? This kind of just melts right into it and dries fairly quick. Oh, I don't like that. I can see that line in camera. Let's see if I can blend that line a little bit more. I'm gonna have to take some blush and kind of like diffuse that. There we go, that line a little bit. What do you guys think? I'm loving it. I'm actually really, really, really loving this. It just looks like my skin with a shine. Like it's not blinding. It's just like I'm just glowy and dewy. Let's go ahead and try on the other side. But this time what I want to do is I want to apply directly onto my blender and see if it makes a difference. Because I didn't like how I made that one line and had to blend it out. So I have it right here on the blender. And we're just gonna dab, dab. So I actually think, I think I like it better applied onto the beauty blender than onto the skin, because I feel like I don't get that straight line. You know how you saw like that line where right there you can see like where I put the blush, where I put the highlighter, and here I don't think you can see that. Can you see it? Let me know if you can see it, because I don't see a line. I think this is gorgeous. I think this is really, really gorgeous. I'm going to apply some a little bit above my brow. So this time I'm going to take a dot onto my beauty blender, smear it out a little bit up towards the tip, and we're just going to see how it looks. Wow, it just kind of gives this like A little bit more. It just gives it like a hint of more dewy. I'm obviously pushing a little bit, just a little bit into the skin right there. Wow. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment, please. Do you like it, or you like the powdered highlighters more? Just look at that. I'm like, it speaks for itself. So I will do another tutorial showing you guys what the pink looks like on the face. I really don't want to apply it over this because I am going out with the girls tonight. We are going bowling. I think this absolutely, absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning. I would say if you are wanting to experiment with more natural looking, but still have that bling bling to it, if that makes sense, kind of highlighter, I would try this. I definitely would try it on a beauty blender though, and then apply it a dry beauty blender at that. And then apply it, because I think it's just so gorgeous. Obviously, you can apply it directly onto the skin, but you will get sometimes maybe that line. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you could, please, 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 please subscribe. Push that little bell down below so you get notifications anytime I upload a new video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going bowling, and I am out. I'm Christina Marie. Bye. Okay guys, so we're checking in with the highlighter. You guys know that this is the Wet n Wild highlighter. And I asked Karen just this. I said, what do you think of my highlighter? This is what she responded.
Well, I think it's for a daytime look, and I think it doesn't have that glam,
It doesn't,
brightening.
she said it's not blinding.
It's not blinding enough.
Like my typical highlighter. But she said it's very pretty for like more of a daytime. More daytime natural.
Yeah, definitely.
So if you guys like this video, please push that thumbs up button and subscribe. I'm Christina Marie, and this is Karen. We're out. Bye.